One of the main features of food ingredients this year has been how to reduce our carbon footprint when it comes to manufacturing food and beverages. It's all about sustainable farming, and one of the products that keeps coming up is this, it's seaweed. Now, Juliana, you're here to join me. Thank you so much. Just tell me, why is seaweed sustainable?
Okay, well, first of all, 1 million people in Indonesia are involved in the seaweed cultivation and production process. So there are quite a lot of families involved. What they basically do is they farm it and cultivate it. It's non-fat aquaculture. So basically what you do, you put it on lines. I can just maybe show you, like they're sitting on boats. A lot of families involved in this. It's very labor intense to farm. What they basically do is they just put it to a rope, and then they let it grow. So they let it grow for 30 to 45 days in the water. You don't need to feed them. So and it incorporates CO2. So it actually helps to combat climate. Now the question is, what do you do with the seaweed? You have here now different types of seaweed and two products. They are commodity products. Alga and carrageenan are here displayed from Casellaria and Cottoni. And basically there's a false perception of carrageenan and alga. There was one study that it's not safe for food consumption. It is very safe, and several, like also EFSA has said it's safe to consume. So we want to give a little bit more focus on that. It's safe to consume. It's very sustainable, and we would like to help. Indonesia is the biggest producer of that raw material, and now more and more processing take place. And maybe, Macy, I think food ingredients is especially about innovation. Mm-hmm. So we want to show you a little bit innovation.
And this, these seaweeds can be used in other ways as well. And has it been recently used in the weight industry, to try and reduce fat, I suppose, and in the diet industry? How is that?
Yeah, there are different hydrocolloids, and we want to present you maybe to Johan from Indo-Algas. He's doing a very nice combination of konjac, which has received a health claim. It's one of the few things which has received a health claim from EFSA, so I think people should more focus on konjac, and that company is doing like a blend between konjac and carrageenan. He will now explain you about what it is and for what applications you can use it.
Fantastic. Thank you so much. Johan, can we have a quick word with you and hear all about this new application of konjac and carrageenan? How does it work, and what are the main applications that you can use it for?
So our company has PT Algalindo Perdana from Indonesia. We have started to produce carrageenan and konjac using the alcohol sophisticated method since 1980. But as you know that carrageenan is very rare to use single. It has to be combined synergy with the konjac. Yeah. So we blend, we custom blend, we tailor-made for each customer individual, for each application, such as dessert gel, for jelly, pudding, soft candy, meat application, which is mostly in East Europe and Russia, China, and to dairy. We recently developed a very good stabilizer and emulsifier system for the dairy, yogurt, whipping cream, incorporate air, and about this year we make a new product. It is basically consists of our compound of our hydrocolloid gums, which is carrageenan and konjac. This one is heat stable, and you can make an emulsion by itself. It is very strong gel.
Can I hold it there?
Yes.
So this is an example. So I mean, clearly there are a huge number of applications that you just listed off here, and this is a new product, and I'll just touch it there. Oh, it's a really firm jelly actually. The texture is really solid.
Yes, and it is synergis free. No water can come out. Usually, what we suggest to the customer, you make an emulsion of this one by itself, and you make an emulsion to whatever you want to make. Fish surimi, fish ball emulsion, or meatball emulsion, sausage emulsion. You can mix one part, or two part, one part. You can change the texture or rheological to whatever you require, and it is going to be value added with a cheaper product. And the demand for this one recently is increasing a lot.
Well, Johan, thank you so much. If you're interested in finding out more about this, make sure you come down to Hydrocolloid Indonesia, and Johan, I'm sure, would be happy to talk to you. Thank you again.